ClinicSense helps my business with their no-show guard, the user-friendly scheduling interface for my clients, and the ability for me to run reports so I can track both my client load and my finances.
My name is Heidi, and I opened my massage studio in July of 2023. I was looking for a booking software that was easy for both myself and my clients to use.
Hi, my name is Jessica Smith. I'm a board-certified licensed massage therapist in Massachusetts, and I've been running my own practice since 2014, and ClinicSense has made running my practice so much easier.
I love the reporting features that ClinicSense offers, and I'm really excited to use their package tracking features once they go live.
I love that I have all of my information that I need in one secure place, client information, finance information, all that.
ClinicSense has a great customer service, and you can find virtually any how-to video on their website. I am so glad I found ClinicSense as my scheduling software.
My clients love how easy it is to fill out the online intake forms, and since I started using ClinicSense's automatic reminders, I haven't had a single no-show. Their customer service is top-notch. They're super helpful and friendly, and you can tell they value their customers, and I am really grateful to have them as a part of my practice.